写的什么意思
？This model is A2141 2019 just 5 voltage, cannot boost to 20 watt, and current only the 0.256. Okay, so the problem is just 5 voltage. And you can test the 4 connector. This one, this one, and this one connector. The current is same 0.25. Test the other side. .25. Okay, and this connector. This connector same. So this model 4 USB-C connector. The problem is same 0.25. Okay, the current stop. Cannot boost to 20 watts. Now we use the oscilloscope to check the signal, check the waveform. And this motherboard is 512. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-name check. 5-name check. So now test the just the signal from the USB-C chip, communication the data to the T2. Open the software to see the schematic. This one. This motherboard, see port number is A20017008. MacBook Pro, 16-inch. Open this.
31T 3552。
3个1T 3个52。
对。
2T的呢
？2T 那是好的，没进系统。
2T 那个是好的。
2T。
So now we'll open the schematic. This one is good. To find the USB-C controller. Test the signal. Okay, this one is up.
这是正常的。
I tested this one. You find one. Okay, this I see. You have the 4 USB-C trick. Now I can test this one. You. Oh, no, different. U3200. Okay, this one test the ED USB-C signal. UPC, SMC, I2C, SMC. This signal U32. U32 000. And then you search. Okay, that's the I2C UPC. Copy this name. Copy. To the register. This one and this one register. Okay, 2 register. R3021. R3021. This one. Okay, you can see this register here. These are T2 trick. So you can check this pin. This pin T connect to the USB-C trick. This pin 1 T connect to the T2. Okay, pin 1 connect to T2. Pin 2 connect to USB-C. This is T connect to the USB-C trick. So now we check this one R3021. This pin 1 and pin 2. Pin 1 and pin 2. Okay, I use oscilloscope to check the waveform. And see this waveform R2 sees checked from the T2.这好难啊！
我刚装了，赶紧让我买一盘，给它放吹风。
现在应该来不及。
今天买，明天就开到了。
它发不了，现在发不了。那不按了。
32563个 ET，暂时是这个。05是100%准确。
This one. 1, 2, 3. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. This register. You can check that this pin 1, pin 2. Pin 1 T connect to the USB-C chip. Pin 2 T connect to T2. This is a T2 chip. Now you use oscilloscope to check the waveform. One, two, three. Now connect the power. Connect the power, then you see the waveform. Now you see the waveform. Look at the oscilloscope, the waveform. Now you see this waveform. This waveform. You connect the power again, you see again. Right? So that means USB-C chip communication the data to the I'm going to use this one. See again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This waveform. So T2 T communication the data to the USB-C chip. On the other side, you can see from 1, 2, 3, 4 from the pin 1. Waveform. Have the waveform. Have the waveform. But cannot boost to 20 watt. Now you see again this multiple, the issue. You see. The problem is this one. You see the current. Problem is that just the 5 voltage and the current 0.25. No restart. Okay, see the bottom of the current is a restart. Maybe the room did have the problem, but the current is stopped. So now the problem is a USB-C chip damage. Also, I use oscilloscope. Oscilloscope, you can check the waveform. So T2 T communication the data to USB-C chip, but cannot boost to 20 watt. So now we'll replace the USB-C chip. USB-C chip. Replace the USB-C. Now I can replace this one first. From the you can replace, but you don't know which IC is damaged. So now you see the color. This one is a 0.23, and this one is a. You can see this one has not much. 0.25. Okay, 0.25, and the other side. This one. The same 0.25, right? The current is same, and this current. This also 0.25. Okay, so the 4 USB-C chip, the current is same. You see, okay, now we replay this one first. You can check the dial around the USB-C chip. Okay, the dial is okay. Now, we replace this side first. This one first. This IC. I use the dongle.
几个人？几个人在上？
几个人啊？没怎么看。要不咱们人不人无所谓。Okay, now remove the IC, because this motherboard, you must use the original chip, and the same position. Okay, must the same position. So now I use this notebook. Okay, this one. This side 1, 2, another side. So this side, this one and this one in this side, in here. This one and this one in this side. So now we replace this side first. And there is original motherboard. This IC to bring the data, so you must remove from the donor board and the same position. Okay, remember this model, same position. So this IC, this chip, you must send this position. This chip to this position. Okay, you remember. This one is here. And the other side is this one. 你发给我这转发你今天也发不过来，下午你们统计一下。要不你中午颗粒的搞啊？我颗粒的我这里有啊，525颗粒的。 5颗粒还有1TB 的都有啊，6颗粒的吗？
再晚一天了。主要你还有一个不一定能搞得好。
现在还有要搞的是吧？
还有一个特别有点严重。篮球搞完。
Okay, so now we remove this one. You can write the position. Okay, this one is 1, 2. So then you sort of here is 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Make the position. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay, now remove rebolling this IC. Okay, remove the 2 IC, 1 and 2. Now, we are rebolling. Okay, use the sensor to rebolling the USB-C chip.那个锡浆给我搞点，刮漆刀给我搞点那个，在那边。First one, you clean the high temperature tin. Now you use the low temperature tin to change this one. This temperature, low temperature tin, 183. This line is 183. bottom one. More than maybe one more. Okay, now you use the PC voltage. Okay, now use the cherry bowling. Okay, rebolting this original USB-C chip from the donor book. Use the solar paste. It's a 183. This one is 183. Two. And the temperature use the 300. Okay, rebolting. This number one. Okay, you can see the number is a 1. Number 1. This one is a number 2. Okay, this one is a number 2. So now we are replace the number 1 first. Replace this IC number 1 first. This one. This is number 1. So this IC number 1, choose the number 1. Number 2, choose the number 2. Replace the number 1 first. And this motherboard is a second hand repair. You can see, do you have this one? You have the plus, and you have the plus. In the other side, you can see also before you have a repair here. Have the soldering plus. So this is a second hand repair motherboard. Now we replace the first one, this one first. This one to here. To replace first. Before it's only 5 voltage, cannot boost to 20 volts. Now replace. Setting the air gun temperature is 420. You can see I used this air gun 420, and wind speed is 42. Should replace this IC number 1, first one. Before this IC is replaced, you see the page here. So now clean the page, clean the soldering page. Clean the motherboard. This motherboard is A2141. The problem is just the 5 voltage cannot boost to 20 volt. Okay, cannot boost to 20 volt, and the current 0.25 start 0.25. And I use the oscilloscope check the waveform. Is T2 communication the data to the USB-C chip. So the problem is from the USB-C chip damage. Okay, now I replace the first one. This one USB-C chip first. For example, you replace this one, the problem is same. Now you replace the number 2. Replace the number 1, then number 2. And further you replace the 2 USB-C ROM. But the problem is same, so you must replace the other side, this one and this one. Okay. Same position. You must replace the from the donor board. Same position. Okay. Now install the USB-C chip. They use the temperature is 42. Install solder bed. This one is this chip from this donor board. This one donor board. Pin this one. Same position. A2141 and 2251 must remove from the same position. Okay, add the plus. And this is the body. Temperature is 420. Okay, 420. Okay, now it's I replay this one, first one, number 1. Okay, this is number 2. I just replay the one chip. This one is the original, and this one from the donor box. Now connect the power to see the current again. Connect the power to see the current. Okay, connect the power. This one I can do this side. To see the current. Before it's just the fine voltage. Okay, now you see. T can boost to 20 watt. Right? The current now T working, right? 1.2, 2.0. So the motherboard so boost, power on and display. Now you test the other connector. Before the current only 0.25 and the voltage just 5 watt. Now T can boost to 20 watt. Okay, now you see the the next one, this connector, this one. Okay, now you see this one also working is normal. Okay, working is okay. Now test the other side. Test this side. This side. Test this side. See the current. Okay, also T can boost to 20 watt. Okay, 20 watt, and watt current is normal. 1.8, not display. Okay, and this one. Okay, this one also working, right? So now you can see 4 USB-C connector is working normal. So this motherboard, the problem before, just 5 watt at the current 0.25. I used the oscilloscope check the this one pin, this one. I use oscilloscope to check the I2C, this one signal. I2C, UPC, this signal. UPC data. T have the one form. So T2, T communication the data to the USB. The other side, T connect to the USB-C chip. The other side, T connect to the USB-C here. Connect to the USB-C chip. One side, T connect to the T2. Other side connect to the USB-C chip. So USB-C and the T2 is communication. Okay, but cannot boost to 20 watts. So maybe the USB-C, this one, U32 or U31, damaged. So I replaced the U32 this IC. I replaced the U32 first. Then the motherboard is a power 1. Furthermore, I replaced the U32, the problem is same. So U31, this IC damage. Okay. So this motherboard is about just the firmware, how to repair just the fine voltage. Okay, you can use oscilloscope check this signal. Have the waveform. So T2 working is normal. Yes. So everyone have any question about the MacBook repair? Have any question? Have any other question? Hello? Have the other question about the MacBook repair? Okay, so this motherboard, the problem is USB-C chip. This one, USB-C chip damage. Just the fine voltage. Okay, just the fine voltage. Have any question? Hello? About just the firmware. This motherboard before is only firmware, and then check the I2C signal. Replace this IC. Now it's working normal. So have any question? This IC, only this IC damage. Okay. This one, U3200. Hello everyone. Have any question? You can ask me. Hello? About the MacBook issue, you can ask me. Yes or no? Yes, there is a donor board. Okay, you can remove the IC from the donor board. The original, remains same position. Okay, same position. To replace the IC. So tomorrow night we are together to the live video. Continue live video tomorrow night. See you next time. Bye bye.